Arabic long vowels, Alif, Waw, and Ya. In the last lesson, we learned that Arabic has 3 short vowels. Let's quickly review them. 1. Fatha makes the sound A, like in cat. Open your mouth slightly. A. 2. Dhamma makes the sound U, like in book. Round your lips. U. 3. Kasra makes the sound I, like in sit. Smile gently. I. Arabic also has 3 long vowels, and that's all. They are simple, clear, and always sound the same. Unlike English, Arabic vowels never change their sound. Each one has one sound only, whether it's short or long. In English, one vowel can sound different in different words. For example, the letter A sounds different in cat, cake, and car. But in Arabic, Fatha always sounds like A, and when you add Alif, it just becomes a longer A sound. Same sound, just stretched. Arabic uses 3 special letters to create long vowels. Alif for long A sound, Waw for long U sound, and Ya for long E sound. These letters are special for 2 main reasons. First, they play more than one role. Unlike regular consonant letters that have only one job, these can act as both consonants and vowels. Second, they change their function depending on whether they carry a vowel mark or not. Let's look at how they behave in each case. 1. With a vowel mark, they act as consonants, just like any regular letter that is followed by a vowel. 2. Without a vowel mark, when they come after a short vowel, they stretch the sound and become long vowels. So this is how Arabic stretches the sound. A short vowel sound becomes a long sound when it is followed by one of the special letters. Fatha followed by Alif becomes a long A sound. Dhamma followed by Waw becomes a long U sound. And Kasra followed by Ya becomes a long E sound. Let's start with the first one, Fatha followed by Alif. This combination stretches the short A sound into a long A sound. When a letter has Fatha and is followed by Alif without a vowel, it produces a long A sound. Let's begin with the letter Ba. The letter Ba with Fatha makes the sound Ba, short and quick, with a slightly open mouth. Then when we add Alif to stretch the sound, it becomes Ba, a longer version of the same sound. Let's say it together. Ba. Hold the sound longer. Ba. Again. Ba. Ba. Now with the letter Ta. The letter Ta with Fatha makes the sound Ta, short and quick, with a slightly open mouth. Add Alif and it becomes Ta, a longer version of the same sound. Let's say it together. Ta. Hold the sound longer. Ta. Again. Ta. Ta. Now let's practice all the Arabic letters with short and long vowel Alif. Say each pair slowly. First the short vowel with Fatha, then stretch it with Alif. A. A. Ba. Ba. Ta. Ta. Tha. Tha. Ja. Ja. Ha. Ha. Kha. Kha. da, da, za, za, ra, ra, za, za, sa, sa, sha, sha, sa, sa, da, da, ta, ta, za, za, ع, ع, غ, غا، ف، فا، ق، قا، ك، كا، ل، لا، م، ما، ن، نا، ه، ها، و، وا، ي، ya. Note: when the consonant alif with hamza is followed by a long vowel alif, we don't write two separate alifs. Instead, we use one alif with a short wavy line on top called Alif Madd. It gives the same long a sound. And remember, Arabic has 6 one-way connector letters: alif, dal, ذال, را, زي, and واو. They only connect to the letter before them, not the one after. That's why, in examples like da and wa, the letters looks disconnected, even though they are part of the same word. Well done! Today we learned how to stretch fatha with alif. Next time we will learn how dhamma stretches with waw. This video is part of the Arabic learning series. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next one. Leave a comment below. I'd love to hear about your progress. See you next time.